There's a subject that is given little attention in the churches of our modern age, or even in contemporary theological circles, perhaps with the exception of Eastern Orthodoxy, who herald this subject as the prime aim of Christian life. This subject is that of theosis. Athanasius, the saint credited with compiling the first known version of what today is our modern Bible, once wrote, "God became man so that man may become God." This is the essence of theosis, also understood as the divinization of man. Theosis involves the reconciling of man's nature to God's nature by way of God's grace. The agent of this transformative undertaking is the Holy Spirit, being the medium through which God renders man into this new being. I speak of this process not in terms of it being an idea, but rather as an authentic, observable, verifiable transformation of man's nature on both the psychological and physiological level. A mediocre confession of belief in the Holy Spirit does nothing to change a man. What I note here is a real power that can be identified and experienced, a power great enough to reshape and rebuild a man into the likeness of God himself, thus restoring him to his original nature, as in the Garden of Eden. Some may find this topic heretical. However, theosis was a subject esteemed highly among the early fathers of Christianity. It allows the revealing of God's nature that is built into man, as it is said, we are made in his image. Theosis is a process that will challenge your entire understanding of reality, and the power of the Holy Spirit as an authentic transformative agent will humble you with its ecstatic yet persuasive force. Many wonder how theosis can be realized and what practices are required to accomplish genuine reconciliation with God. In my book, The Discipline of the Secret, the process of theosis is shown through a series of revelations that have much to do with identity and how man erroneously identifies with life's content and in so doing misses the content of God's grace that is perpetually accessible to him.